it's Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Crafters Dollar Tree haul because everything that I found is in the Crafter Square section, and it's all for crafting. So and everything that I found is brand new. I have never seen these before in the Dollar Tree, and they had quite a few new things. I didn't get everything because I didn't need all of that, but I did grab quite a few pretty cool things. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what I got. So the first things that I picked up are these plastic crochet hooks. Now, excuse my nails, they need to be done. But anyway, they had these, and they also had some that were made of metal. I didn't really want the metal ones. I'm not really sure why. I don't know. I just grabbed these plastic ones. But they do come in different sizes. So this one is the 4.0 millimeter and the 4.5 millimeter. And I was amazed to find these there. I couldn't believe it. And then I picked up the 5.0 millimeter and the 5.5 millimeter. So those are a little bit bigger. But it was amazing. And they also had knitting needles. They had some plastic ones and some metal ones of those too. But I don't really know how to knit. I know a little bit of how to crochet, but it's been years and years since I've crocheted, so hopefully I haven't forgotten. And knitting, I did try my hand at knitting. No one that I know knows how to knit. So I went on YouTube and kind of taught myself, but I have a very short attention span, so it didn't take me long to just give up on that. But anyway, I went ahead and grabbed these two crochet hooks. And to go along with the crochet hooks, they had a ton of different colors of yarn, and I just went ahead and picked out the three that I liked. I got a gray one, a navy blue, and a white one. Now, like I said, I'm not real versed in what crocheting and knitting and all of that, and I don't really know what types of yarn are good to use or brands or whatever, but I thought these were really nice, and the yarn is really soft. So it says 1.4 ounce net weight. And then there is 20 yards in here, and it's 100% acrylic. Now, I don't know if this is the name brand, LKYC, but on the back it also says Lion brand yarns. So I'm not real sure. It says the color of this is Snowflake. So I went ahead and just grabbed one of these. And then I also grabbed the navy blue one, and what are they calling it? They're calling this one the color Moody Blue. So I thought those were really neat. And then this gray one is called Chain Links, is the color of it. So anyway, I thought I'd try to start crocheting again, and we'll see how that goes. I might lose interest. The next things that I found are these craft clamps. They're heavy duty. You get two in here. Now, I know Dollar Tree sells some of these that are, I think, red in the hardware section. I believe I think Tool Bench makes it, but this is the Crafter Square ones. They're pink. And I like to use things like this. I typically use like clothespins because I like to make wreaths. And if I am making like a ruffle for a wreath or a bow or something, I like to have something to hold it. So anyway, I thought I'd get these to try them out and see how I like them. So I was excited to find that. The next thing I found, guys, I cannot believe I found this. I don't know, I'm blown away. It's the wood carving set. You get 4 pieces in here. And I'm not a wood carver by any means, but I'm willing to try and learn. So you get 4 of these in here, which I am amazed. And they're different, they have different tips on there. On the back, it tells you what there is. There is a flat blade, an engraving blade, a round blade, and a triangle blade. And then it tells you under each one what they do, like what they're used for, I guess. So I was just blown away when I seen these. That's pretty amazing. So I don't know how well they'll work, but anyway. The next thing I found I thought was really cool too. This is the brush cleaning pot. That was really neat. They had different colors. I don't know if you can see that without the glare, but it's where you wash your paintbrushes in. And they had different color lids. I liked the yellow one because it's just cheery and happy, but you raise the top of it, and then inside it's like a cone or a funnel down in there. So I thought that was really cool. And I do like to paint, and usually to clean off my brushes, I just use an old coffee mug. But hey, I'm glad they have this so I can try it out. The next 2 things that I found, now these aren't necessarily new. I have seen other people haul them, but I've been wanting them, and I cannot, every time I go to look to see if my Dollar Tree has them, they'll say, well, we just had them, but they're all sold out. So I'm always too late. But today when I went, they had these, and I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them. I probably should have grabbed more, but you know, I just grabbed these 2. But I think these are so cool. It says it has 49 holes. So you can put your paintbrushes in there. You can put your like colored pencils, crayons, markers, whatever you can think of to put in there. I mean, you may not even have to put in that kind of stuff. If you wanted to do makeup brushes or something, maybe put those in there. I don't know. I was pretty amazed to find them, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those. The next 3 things that I found, these are new. These are they're scissors, but they're like the pinking shears, and they had these 3 different ones, so I grabbed 1 of each. Now, these are the bigger size. They did have some that were identical to this, same color, same sort of design on how they cut, but they were smaller. They were probably about half the size of these, but I wanted the bigger ones. So I went ahead and just grabbed 1 of each of these, and I'll show you which ones, what pattern they have. The green ones have sort of a, I don't know, it's like a swirly, I don't know if you can see it right there, pattern to cut with. And then the pink one it looks sort of like a zigzag or sawtooth, I guess you'd call it, pattern. So I thought that was really neat. And then the blue one is more of like a scalloped type. So I thought that was really neat too. I was surprised to find those. So anyway, but that was really cool. And then the last 2 things that I found, I was shocked. This is just, I mean, Dollar Tree is killing it in the Crafter Square section. My goodness. These are the chalkboard Crop It stickers. They're 5.1 inch by 12.4 inch. In each pack, I picked up 2. You get 2 pieces in there per package. And these are just amazing. They're so cool. It's just a sticker, and here, I'll open one and show you guys. I'm assuming what you would do would be like, I mean, you could probably make labels for things when you're labeling stuff, but you get 2 in here, and on the back has the part where you peel off to get to the sticker, the sticky back part. But you know, you could cut these down or any shape that you wanted to cut them to and make labels out of them. I just think this is so cool. I could not believe they have this. I've never seen this before. is really cool. So I was happy to find that. So anyway, that is the end of this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. If you want to be notified when I upload a video, just click the little bell icon and you'll probably get an email letting you know that I've uploaded a video. I hope that you guys are all having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!